Discover the flavor of the city. Urban Eats. Hello and welcome to another exciting English language learning session. Today, we're going to explore a flavorful phrase that you might come across in your city adventures: urban eats. This term is not just about food. It's about the experience and culture behind it. Let's dive in and taste what this expression has to offer. When we talk about urban eats, we're referring to the variety of food options available in a city. It's not just about fast food or street food. It encompasses all sorts of dining experiences that reflect the urban lifestyle. This can include trendy cafes, food trucks, gourmet restaurants, and local fast food joints that are part of the city's unique culinary landscape. The word urban is key here. It signifies something that is characteristic of a city or town. So, urban eats doesn't just describe the food itself, but also the vibrant, fast-paced city life that surrounds the dining experience. It's about the hustle and bustle, the diversity, and the innovation that city life brings to the table. Quite literally. Cities are melting pots of cultures, and this is reflected in their food. Urban Eats often highlights the rich tapestry of cuisines available in a metropolitan area. From authentic ethnic dishes to fusion food that combines elements from different culinary traditions, Urban Eats is a celebration of the city's cultural diversity. You might use the phrase, urban eats, when discussing dining options with friends. Let's check out the urban eats in downtown tonight. It can also be used to describe the kind of food that is trendy and popular in urban settings or to suggest an exploration of the city's food scene. I hope this exploration of urban eats has given you a taste of not just the language but also the cultural feast that cities have to offer. Whether you're a foodie or just curious about urban culture, this phrase is your gateway to the delicious and diverse world of city dining. Until next time, happy learning and bon appétit!